In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix site look good on any screen. Classic Editor 2026 Guide. Making your Wix website look great on phones, tablets, and big monitors comes down to using the Classic Editor's mobile tools the right way. We'll start by switching views. At the top of the editor, click the mobile phone icon to open Mobile View. Remember this rule of thumb: edits you make on desktop often flow down to mobile, but edits you make in mobile view stay on mobile only. That's powerful because you can fine-tune spacing, sizes, and layout specifically for small screens without breaking your desktop design. If something that shines on desktop feels heavy on a phone, simply hide it from mobile. Use the Hide on Mobile option for oversized images, decorative backgrounds, or secondary sections. The reverse is also true. You can hide items from desktop if they're meant only for mobile visitors. Next, make your content touch-friendly. Drag, resize, and reposition text, images, and buttons so they fit comfortably on a narrow screen. Add breathing room so thumbs don't tap the wrong thing. Prioritize your call to action. Buttons like Contact Us or Shop Now should be clearly visible as soon as the page loads. For a stable, balanced layout, build with strips and columns instead of freely placing elements. Columns automatically stack on mobile rather than squeezing side by side, which keeps content readable and predictable as screen sizes change. A few essential mobile design tips will save you time. Set images to scale to fit so they don't get squished or cropped. Keep body text at least 16 pixels for comfortable reading, and be cautious with pinning elements to the screen edges on mobile. Pinned items can overlap headers, menus, or other critical content. Your navigation also needs love. Wix converts your menu into a mobile-friendly hamburger by default, but you should customize its colors and icons so it matches your brand and is easy to see outdoors. Make sure the tap target is generous and the contrast is strong. Finally, test in the real world. Don't rely only on preview. Open the site on an actual phone or tablet, scroll every section, and tap each button to confirm spacing and behavior feel right. The Classic Editor relies on manual adjustments across desktop and mobile. If you want a more automated, responsive workflow, consider Wix Studio. Thanks for watching and happy building.